guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I would like to pick one of the suggested color palettes that I received on Instagram from one of my followers. She asked me if I can help her out and give her ideas and inspiration with blue and orange colors because that's her school's colors. She wants to do a balloon garland for graduation, so I am very excited. Hopefully I will help you out and I will inspire you. I will take my twist on it, but you can definitely twist it your way and make this balloon garland as you want it. So I hope whatever I will be doing today will inspire you. So today's color palette is blue and orange. Without any further ado, let's go. And here is what I am planning to use in today's video. I am working with Qualitix balloons. I got them from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. Go check them out. They have a huge selection of party supplies and other things. You can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This is an affiliate code and it's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. And this code is valid only for your first purchase. I am working with dark blue balloons, 11, 16, and 5 inch. Also, I am not sure about these orange balloons over here. Why am I saying that? Because yesterday I bought a new addition, new flowers to my collection, and I love them. I didn't really try to buy orange flowers just for this video. I saw them and I said that I want to have them. So I got them. I got inspired by these flowers and I am excited to have them in my collection of greeneries and flowers. I bought them from Walmart. I believe I paid around $3 per bunch, and yeah, that's where I got them. They are beautiful. I will be using 260s balloons to construct this whole thing. Also, electric balloon pump like usual, and if anything else will be used on top of all this, I'll let you know. I am ready to blow all of my balloons. I am blowing my 11 inch, not only to 11 inch, but I am playing with sizes. I am using my electric balloon pump. Take 2 balloons and blow them at the same time into different sizes. As soon as you're done blowing your balloons, press them against the floor to give them more rounder shape, and then literally tie them together into pairs like these. Keep on pairing. Keep on blowing. I am blowing my 5 inch balloons separately from my 11 and 16, and I will be mixing my 16 with 11 and blowing some of the pairs of 16 as well. So let's go. Cluster our balloons. So I am taking 2 different sizes pairs of balloons. I am intertwining them together to create clusters of 4 like this, and then I am taking either 5 or any other size pair and intertwining that 3rd pair with my cluster of 4 to create a cluster like this. Clusters are ready. Let's build this balloon garland. I am going for a smaller size balloon garland today because I thought I had more 11 inch blue balloons, but nope, this is all I have, and I don't mind at all to show you shorter versions as well. I really need to go and shop for balloons and restock my drawers. I'm excited to do that because it was long overdue. I'm constructing my balloon garland with 260s clear balloons. This is Qualitix. This is a great example for you guys that you can reuse your balloon rope. Again and again, I used this rope for one of the balloon garlands. I took it down and kept the rope, and I am reusing it right now for this one. I am taking this rope and I am tying it to my first cluster. I also love to keep my fishing line, my curling ribbon, my balloon rope in this apron that I am wearing right now. This apron is so handy. It has a lot of pockets and you can stuff your pockets with things that you need for your garlands. I have my fishing line, 260s balloons, safety pins, command hooks, everything is here. I will link this thing in the description under the video. I am taking my second pair and putting it right on top of my first one, applying a little pressure, not too much, taking my balloon rope and wrapping around one of the newer balloons, going to my older balloons, previous balloons, around newer balloons, older balloons, and securing my second cluster to my first cluster from all sides to kind of keep it nice and tight together. I really like using 260s because it won't cut your balloons. Your fishing line and curling ribbon can't cut your balloons. Don't get me wrong, I still love my fishing line, but in my opinion, 260s are better. If you're building your balloon garland with 260s, 260s will give your balloon garland more of a relaxed feeling. Basically, that's all you do. Keep wrapping, keep building, and you'll be done in no time. Secure your balloon garland, you take your balloon rope, hold it with one hand, and literally wrap around one of the balloons. Now you created this loop over here. Take that tail and feed it through that loop. Pull on your tail. That way you creating knots. Let it go, and this is it. Garland will be a lot shorter, but I totally underestimated the amount of balloons that I blew for this garland. I like the size and fullness of this garland. I like it. In the description under this video, I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands. In that video, I show an up close on how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks or fabric with safety pins. I do answer a whole bunch of other questions in that video about balloon garlands, so go ahead and check that video out. Now I am taking my extra clusters that are laying on the floor, my rubber bands, and starting to fill in spaces on my garland. You can absolutely use glue dots, use more than 2 glue dots per cluster. Please do it, believe me, it'll be better. You can use low temperature glue gun, 260s balloons to tie your clusters to your garland, twine, curling ribbon, whatever you have, you can use it all to fill in spaces and it will look great. I like rubber bands, but with rubber bands, you sometimes need to use more than one rubber band to kind of tie and attach your extra cluster from different sides so the cluster wouldn't slide and move, because it's totally possible. I am using rubber bands just to save time. I really like to keep my rubber bands on my wrist. It's an easier access to my rubber band. So I am taking my cluster, taking my rubber band, looping over one of the balloons on that cluster, and now you have rubber band over here so you can stretch it and loop it over one of the balloons on your garland. Adding flowers will add weight to your garland. Make sure your garland is secured to your wall or backdrop in several spots. Is how this balloon garland looks with just flowers. It looks very, very beautiful. I still want to add some of the chrome, rose chrome gold balloons. I'm excited to see how that's going to look. So let's go experiment a little bit more and see how those chrome balloons will fit into this whole setup. I didn't have 9-inch balloons in this color, so I had to push air as far as I could into 11-inch balloons and then tied with balloon tying tool. is what I have for you guys today. This is my take on this blue and orange balloon garland. I definitely like what I see. There's some things that I'm not still sure about these chrome balloons. I'm like 50-50 on them. I like it, and I'm not really a fan of them in here. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. You can definitely make changes to this balloon garland. I just hope that I inspired you with this color palette. You don't have to use these flowers. You can use 5-inch orange balloons and it would look just as cute. I constructed this with 260s of balloons, some rubber bands, and I used glue dots for my chrome balloons. Definitely use more than one glue dot per balloon to make sure these balloons will stay on your garland for a long time. I love the quality of these balloons. I love Qualitix. If you've been following me for quite a while, you know that I love to work with Qualitix balloons. None of the balloons popped on me, had holes or anything like that. I am happy with their performance. You absolutely don't have to use Qualitix to create something like this. You can go to your local store, dollar store, and whenever you can't find similar color to this, you're good to go. I will link and list everything in the description under the video, and I will share some pictures at the end of this video as well. And this is what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and inspiring. If it was, like usual, you guys don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you're new here, you guys don't wait, hit the subscribe button for more videos. And overall, if you have any additional questions, you guys leave them in the comment section below and I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. I hope you'll have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!